Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the case study video for computer network. What is meant by case study? Real-time problem has been overcome through this computer network. That is our concept today. Today we are going to see case about Green Valley Hospital, which is located in the urban area. Approximately, the population of the urban area is approximately 5 lakhs, with 250 beds. It has a capacity of 250 beds. They face problems like patient streamlining and to keep the patient records, and they need to have real-time communication between the staff and the patients. And it is a mid-sized hospital. They need challenges. They address challenges, and they have come across the problem through the implementing networks. They first of all they faced data management issues with interdepartment communication and patient care coordination due to lack of computer network. Objective of this computer network is integrate all the hospital department, and it helps to improve data management and enhance real-time communication. First of all, they have designed a network design and architecture. What are all the network components they needed? In the sense, they have needed a server to store patient records and to manage hospital applications and to provide data backups. They need workstations for each and every doctor, nurse, administrative staff, and other healthcare providers. And they need Wi-Fi access throughout the hospital. Network switches and routers to connect various devices and to manage network traffic. They need network switches and routers. To provide security, they need firewalls and intrusion reduction system to protect sensitive patient data. And they have to implement topologies like hybrid topology, because combination of star and mesh ensures the centralization and redundancy in the sense repetition of information is called as a redundancy. To fail over the mechanism and to maintain network availability, they need to implement redundant part. First of all, they have assessed site survey, that is their infrastructure, and what are all the optimal locations for network components. And they analyzed what are all the requirements of different departments and their data needs. And they set up a networks setup, that is cabling. They have used Cat6 cable to connect all the workstations, servers, and network devices. They have installed a hardware like servers, switches, routers, and workstation. And Wi-Fi also deployed in all the rooms, such as patient room, waiting areas, and administrative office. And software and application integration. They have implemented a hospital management system, centralized software to maintain patient records, appointments, billing, and inventory. They added communication tools like instant messaging and a VoIP system for real-time communication between staff. And they provided data security for implementing encryption, access control, and to regular audits. Software and application integration. They have trained all the staff, training support for using this upgradation. What are all the challenges they faced? In the sense data migration, that is they need to update the data, because the existing patient records may be updated without any disrupting hospital operations. That is the main thing. They used non-because to update the data, and they ensured network security by protecting patient data from cyber threats. And they have scalability, that is, if they have added a bed also, they can able to enlarge their things. And what is the result? It improves data management and enhanced communication by using this real-time communication tools, that is instant messaging and VoIP. What are all the conclusion? At last, the hospital, Green Valley Hospital, has improved operational efficiency, data management, and real-time communication by implementing the network infrastructure in their healthcare delivery. Thank you all.